What's up, goddess gang? Today we are back with another video, and you guys, I have my complimentary crusty dusties here with us today. Do not judge me. I'm here, y'all. Okay, you guys, so I am doing the most basic mani ever. I do have my beautiful, wonderful, amazing little soaking dish here, which it is like a real heavy, I don't know if it's considered like ceramic, porcelain, I don't even know, clay, I don't even know, you guys, but it's heavy and it's like my favorite ever. God bless that dish. And I really want more of them, but every time I try to find one, I can't really find one. But anyways, that's off topic, you guys. So we're going in and we're going to give myself a beautiful little manicure because we're preparing for our unboxing at the end of this video. Drop a comment down below, goddess gang up in this B, if you're part about the notification gang. If you are a part of the notification gang, go ahead and drop notification gang in the comments down below. How are you guys doing? I'm really looking forward to being more active because January was like, at the beginning I was really trying to cope and I'm like, oh my gosh, I cannot, it's a whole new year, I missed 2022, like why did it have to go by so fast? And so yeah, anyways, let me slow down. Here we are with our cuticle pusher. I just soak the cuticles to get them soft. I really love to do that because then they come out looking really nice at the end. If you clip, it's kind of like if you cut dry hair, it just looks really choppy and disgusting at the end. It's similar with the cuticles. It's like if you push them back while they're dry and then you clip them while they're dry, usually you'll have like a lot of cuts all over. I don't know how to explain it. It's just not a clean cut. It's a really rough cut, and then it just, if you know, you know. Drop a comment down below if you know exactly what I'm talking about. No cap, because it is annoying. So I really enjoy just a quick and simple 5-minute soak, and then you can push the cuticles back with the cuticle pusher. Some people do just go in with the file, the e-file with the sanding band, and remove the cuticle that way. But for me, I enjoy the self-care vibes of pushing the cuticles back, soaking the cuticles a bit, and then you guys will see me going with one of my all-time favorite drill bits, which you guys see all the time on my channel. It's basically one of the top ones or the main ones, or like the only one that I really like. I would die without it, and those are listed on my blog site. I think I need to put them on one of my master posts because I have them in a blog post, which is titled my favorite e-drill bits or something like that. But anyways, nevertheless, you guys, that's neither here nor there. I'm just trying to catch you guys up. How have you guys been? How has your New Year's been? I know I'm talking a mile per minute, so I'm gonna give you guys a moment. I'm going to give us all a moment to breathe. I'm just so excited and thankful to be back. I missed you guys so much. Okay guys, so now we are back in the cut or whatever, and as you can see, my cuticles are looking good already. Like, I love how I just feel like it feels so good and natural. It's not a painful experience. I was gonna tell you guys, I don't know if I have already told you recently, but be sure to maintain your nippers, which means they do get dull, they get worn out. For one thing, do not use the same nippers to nip cuticles that you use to like remove, 3D gel or bling or anything like that. Like, make sure you're very picky about your nippers, because good nippers, good experience. Bad nippers, bad experience. I have had them where they get a little dull and I'm like, okay, it's time to get a new pair, and then I'll just use the dull ones for a backup pair, or for if I need to remove something that's hard to remove and I don't want to ruin my nippers that I use for manicures and things like that. But yeah, this is my standard, and I'm not really that happy with how my nails are. They're not 100% healthy. They're not bad, but they're not, I feel like when I do fill-ins on my nails, I always get ridges no matter what. I don't know why that is. Maybe I just prep a little too much, or maybe I don't prep enough or something. I don't know. But overall, my nails are looking really healthy. You guys are gonna see that we're using one of the gifts from Madam Glam in this video. Thank you so much. Shout out to Madam Glam at all costs. I love you guys so much because you're so awesome, and you guys have the best, like, I love variety, and every brand has their creative twist. Like, there are some brands that I'm like, okay, they got this, they got this, they got. Madam Glam is really good with taking the same color and making a million shades of it, and always blowing your mind in the process. So when you guys, I did not record an ending clip with like showing off my manicure. I don't know why, but I did show you guys. Well, you'll see in the unboxing, you'll see the color, and it is so beautiful. It's called One Way Ticket by Madam Glam, which, as you guys probably know, you can always save, I think it's 30% on Madam Glam with my discount code GoddessNails30. There are plenty of discount codes out there, and sometimes they're way more than what mine is, so by any means, take advantage. I know if you join the VIP club, then I think you save a bit more, and yeah, it's a good, I would, like, literally, I love Madam Glam so much. I just cannot express it. And I think, in all actuality, I was on the website a couple days ago because I was creating a blog post, and I almost want to say that the advent calendar was still available, and it was like $100. Don't quote me on that, but I saw it and I was like, oh, I love it so much. And I'm gonna be using more stuff out of there soon. I'm low-key overwhelmed with gratitude. And oh yeah, I do have the January House of Glam. I showed you guys the unboxing. I'm gonna create those nails soon, but for now, let's go ahead, get ready for our wonderful, amazing Born Pretty unboxing. So stay tuned, you guys, and I will be right back. All right, you guys, so here we are with our nails did or whatever. By the way, I really love the fact that this is like the perfect color for a natural, beautiful, magnificent manicure. It's just like, oh my gosh, DIY vibes in the cut. Oh yeah, by the way, you guys, this little kit is perfect for DIY. I love Born Pretty Gel Polish. I cannot even front. I don't know why it's so good, but it's literally really good. And so here is a 6-color collection that they have sent to us. You can always save 10% on your Born Pretty products with the discount code Scorpion Goddess. I think it's Scorpion Goddess. Double check on my website, but I'm sure it is. So anyways, oh yeah, I'll leave it in the pinned comment down below too. But you guys, this is the Pretty Pastel color collection. I literally love it so much. I did make a blog post to go with this video, so be sure to check that out in the pinned comment down below as well. Here is one of them. I don't know which one it is, but they don't have names. I really die for the names, but this is like, give me numbers. It doesn't matter. The formula. What I love about it so much is that literally is the formula, because you can stack so much of it on top of each other. And it cures, and I don't know how it is. It's just, and the color is very opaque, which I really love. You always want to add 2 layers just to be on the safe side, but even if you're in a rush and you want to only add 1 layer, this polish is going to get the job done for you, which is another thing that I really love about it. Look at it, it's so beautiful. And look at the colors. Okay, I need to stop, y'all. I need to cut it out. But anyways, you guys, this is just the unboxing. I did swatch these out, and I'm going to be posting it to Instagram. So go ahead and check me out at ScorpionGoddessNails. At Scorpion Goddess Nails on Instagram. Go check out my blog, enter my giveaway, www.scorpiongoddessnails.blog. You guys, we need to enter for my giveaway, because we are about to spam it up, and I know we about to have those summer nails on fleeky. I'm already about to use these for Easter. I think I'm gonna start creating my Easter nails now. Like, can we not? But anyways, I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you in the next one. Holla, peace.